For less than $50, you too can grow lettuce just like this year-round in this countertop hydroponics system. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set it up. Hey everyone, Morgan here. Let's go ahead and see how you can have lettuce at home year-round, especially through the winter. So this is the countertop hydroponics system, and I'm going to have the link down below in the description. But basically, I have these pods. You just plop them in, and these are the little cones on top that are basically like makes it little tiny greenhouses. Now let's go ahead and plant your seeds. You will want to put 2 or 3 seeds in just to make sure that there is a success rate of at least 1. And if there's more than 1, you want to cut back to just 1 because that's how much the hydroponics can handle. But there they are in there. Look, there's a couple on the side. It happens. No big deal. But yeah, there they are. After just a few days, they started sprouting and they look amazing. So you will sometimes see that they're kind of growing on the sides and stuff. I would just leave them. But right now I'm going to go ahead and take some out. And as you can see, the light is really, really close to them. You want to make sure that in your hydroponics, when it's getting started, the light is super close as possible to these little sprouts that are growing. But yeah, I like to remove it until there's at least 1. Okay, so I take the domes off and let them grow from here. They don't need the domes anymore once they started sprouting. And also at this point, I want to go ahead and added the AB mix. You don't need to add the nutrients until you start seeing the sprout, but for this, it's like the 15 mil, but the instructions for your hydroponics will say how much nutrients to add, but go ahead and do that. And this is within 1 week. It was already looking just fabulous. They just like bounced. They were just like, boom, I'm here. We got lettuce. Let's go. It was so impressive how quickly it happens. And then this was after 2 weeks. It's just like, we are here. We are lettuce. We are ready to be eaten. You can see that it's even starting to touch the light. At this point, you really want to start using it because if it touches the lights, it will start to burn. And you're going to see an example of that here in a second. But this is after 4 weeks, actually. It is getting wild and out of control. And I've been using it. So I decided to just cut it all down because it was starting to burn a little bit. And I had to clean it up a little bit. But I'm actually going to replace this entire thing with brand new seeds. But yeah, I went ahead and just cut it down. And over time, you will have to actually fill the water. So like every week, you're going to have to fill the water. Make sure you check that level, that kind of thing. But look at all this lettuce that I got. I got a crazy amount of lettuce just from this one hydroponic system. And I can keep doing this over and over and over again every month because it takes just about the month, 4 weeks, and I've got lettuce. At about the 3-week point, you could even start eating it. So I hate buying lettuce from the store because it goes bad so quickly. But lettuce from the hydroponic, I can get it quick, fresh, and it doesn't go bad as quick. I can have lettuce all the time, year round. Super easy. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.